Hi guys, so this is what's out now. I'm not sure when they changed it out, but let's check it out. So this is $29.99. We do real, we do mistakes, we do second chances, we do fun, hugs, forgiveness, and we do loud, and we do family. We do love. That's absolutely beautiful, guys. Then you have this, my barn, my rooster. Let me see, it's $19.99. My rooster rules. And then they have this. Is this a tray? Yeah, this is a tray, guys. So this is $24.99. Isn't that nice? So then if you come over here, you have this rise and shine. This is $19.99. Then you have this vase over here, guys. So this is $15.99. And this one over here, $17.99. Those what those look like. I think this is $17.99 also. Yeah. Then you have these baskets over here, guys. So the baskets are $16.99, and all of them are the same size, and that's what they look like. Then you have those baskets, and these are different prices. So the ones on the inside are $19.99, guys, and then these are $24.99 on the outer side. That's what they look like. Then they have these down here. These signs right here are $19.99. Antiques open that way. Okay, and then look at these. Guys, these are like those straw-made pigs. $17.99 for this. Okay. Then you have these. I'm not sure what this is made of, guys. If this is 10, I think that's 10. $9.99 for this one. And then let me see what this one is. Hold on. This bigger one, I think that's a lot. $9.99 for this. This one is $14.99, and those are the size difference. So then you says be our guest. Let me see if I see a price, guys. Oh, I gotta turn that around. Hold on. So this one is $19.99, guys. Okay, and that says be our guest. And I'm loving that window pane with the florals. Let me see how much that is. $49.99 for that. Let me see. So this pig right here is $4.99, and then this one here sitting down is $4.99. Look at it. That's really cute. So then they have the cow. He seems to follow me everywhere. $39.99 for that one. That's cute. So then they have this home. Oh, look at this. It's all attached. Okay, so this says home, a story, the story of who we are, collection of things we love, then family, then friends, then gathering. Each of them say their own thing, and they're all attached, guys. Look, very pretty though. And this is $12.99 for this one. $12.99 for that one. Then this here, guys, says blessed. And let's see what that is. $24.99. And look at these, guys. Aren't they beautiful? This is $22.99 for this, guys. Wow. Let me show you. So you have some more of those baskets. You are my sunshine pillow. Oh, look, it's buffalo check print in the back. That one is $29.99. And here's some more of those red baskets. These are kind of cute, guys. These farmhouse feed. So the one on the inside, the smaller one, is $12.99 for this one. Then the bigger one is $14.99. And that's what those look like. Then you have these right here for $29.99, that pillow. Then this one right here, let me see, this is us, our life, our story, our home. I love that. So that's $24.99 for that sign. That's what it looks like. Then this sign over here, our house rules, $24.99. And this one here is $29.99 for that one. Okay, so this welcome sign over here, guys, is $16.99, and that's sunflower and galvanized metal. That one is $12.99. Then they have the smaller one over there, but I can't reach that. So then here it says Country Flower Market. Let me see. That one is $19.99 for this one. Then you have this one. Let's see if I can get to the back. $24.99 for that one. Then you have these signs. They look like bottle caps, guys. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. Let me see. So these are $12.99, and they have different kind. So they have this red one. Let's see. The red one looks like that, or that reddish brown. Then you have the cream color one that looks like that with the pumpkins. 25 cents each. And the sunflower. Then the smaller ones, which also come in colors, those are $9.99. That's pretty neat. Then you have these cans. These are the matching canisters, guys. So this is $12.99. There's that one. They're all $12.99, and these are the three kind they have. Then they have the bird feeder. And this bird feeder is $19.99. Then they have that Welcome Friends over there with the sunflowers. That's $34.99, guys. Then you have this bird for $12.99, and this welcome sign here. All friends are welcome here. This is so pretty. This is $24.99, guys. Then you have these cans. Those are $16.99, and they come in all those colors. Then they have these boxes. These crates, these are $12.99, guys. Those are nice. And look at the bicycle. Enjoy the day. So that picture is $19.99, guys. So then you have these. I call those umbrella cans. Let's see. So this one, let me see if I can read the price. $19.99 for those. Then you have these little arrangements right here for $12.99. Wow. Those are $12.99 for each. I don't know. I think I need to start DIYing some of this stuff, guys. This is like so small for $12.99. Thank goodness you can use a coupon. So this is really pretty. These candles, and this is $9.99. Then you have this Welcome Friends sign with the sunflower. That one is $12.99. And look at this. This is really pretty. This is $14.99. That's nice. And then they have that sign over there that says, "You make me happy." Ah, $34.99. That's so cute. Then this one, the mason jar with the sunflowers, Home Sweet Home. That one is, I don't see a sign. Let me see. It's on this side. That one is $14.99, guys. Then you have the sunflowers, guys. I can't reach the top one, but this real big one here is $19.99. So we know that those are less. I can't reach those. And then they have this humongous welcome sign right here. So let's see if I can get to the price of this. Guys, I don't want to knock stuff over. Let's see if I can get to the price. No, I can't get to the price, guys. It's a really pretty sign, though. Look how big that is. Then they have the Enjoy Today pillow, and that's $29.99. And I believe you can use your coupons, guys, with this. And then you have this family sign right here, and this sign right here is $24.99, guys. Very beautiful. So this is all sunflower decor. And also almost like bed and breakfast decor, if I'm not mistaken. So on this side of me, you have some florals. Look at my magnolias, guys. I love my magnolias. I'm so into them right now. Those are $14.99 for this little bouquet. And did the tag say I'm pretty sure those are magnolias, guys. Okay, so they have these flowers, and there's that wreath. And the lemon tree. So the lemon tree, can I see that? Oh my goodness, the lemon tree is $39.99 for that lemon tree. Okay, and then they have this little arrangement right here. Isn't that pretty? That's $9.99. You have some more flowers. There you have that beautiful wreath over there. I think those are cherry blossoms. And then you have some garlands. Then you have that. Look at that daisy wreath. Isn't that pretty? Look at it over there. It looks so delicate. So guys, over here the sign says even the summer florals are 70% off the original ticketed price. So that's not bad at all, guys. So then you have that tulip wreath. I'm telling you, they're sneaking in their fall decor, guys. Look at them. They're absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let me see. This right here is really pretty. So this one is $24.99. Okay. And let me see if this wreath has a hanging tag. It's all the way up on the top. It's too high. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's. I just wanted to show you some home decor while I was buying some supplies, and I'll see you guys in another video.